My name is Sovika. I am currently pursuing PGDM course from IMI New Delhi. I attended the training on Power BI because I was really interested in the new visualization tools which are currently in the market, and Power BI is a really new tool which has been used in a lot of corporates as well. So for understanding and helping in future, I wanted to take this course. Yes, this training has helped me a lot. Like I was able to understand the various aspects of Power BI like visualization, live dashboards, and I feel that this will help me in my corporate career as well. The course content was really comprehensive. We started out from Power Query, moved on to Power Pivot, and we also learned about the visualization techniques also. So it was a very comprehensive tool. The trainer was really good. Like he explained us the basic concepts really well so that we had a good foundation, and then we moved on to the more complex parts, and he had a very nice way of organizing the whole session as well. So we were able to cover up a lot of things. Yes, I would recommend this training because it's a new tool and there are limited resources for it. So this was a really comprehensive session, and I would feel that everyone will be really benefited from it.